Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to read the IRS Form 1099B, which is the form used to report broker and barter exchange transactions. So this is very helpful because if you sold stocks, securities, or had certain exchange transactions during the year, this form gives you the details that you may need when you're preparing your tax return. So when you first open the form, start at the top section and then check the basic information. Make sure the name, address, and account details look correct. So after that, move the main transaction section. So this is where the form usually shows the description of what was sold, the date it was bought if that applies, and the date it was sold and the sales proceeds. Next, look closely at the amount boxes. One of the most important numbers here is the proceeds because that shows the amount received from the sale. You may also see cost or other basis, which helps figure out gain or loss, and sometimes there may be a wash shall loss disallowed amount or federal income tax withheld if withholding applied. So instead of just looking at one number, go line by line and check what each box is showing. And if your form has more than one transaction, keep scrolling because there may be several entries listed, and review each one carefully and make sure the details match your records from your broker. Also remember, Form 1099B reports transaction information to both you and the IRS. So it's also very important to read it carefully before filing. Okay, so that's basically the walkthrough. The goal here is to check the details, understand what each line is showing, and use the form as a guide when working on your taxes. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.